Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a review on the Ordinary concealers. They have 21 shades out and I bought mine for £4.90 on the site called Beauty. Now if you do purchase from them and you spend over £20, you will benefit from the free shipping scheme that they do. So the shades I bought 5 shades. I bought the shade 3.0Y, 3.0R, 3.1Y, 3.1R, and 2.1Y. So those are for people who have undertones of red or yellow. Now it is described as a medium to full coverage concealer. It doesn't really say if it's matte or satin or natural finish, but based on my experience, I would say this is more of a matte finish. So I'm going to go ahead now and start doing the swatches for you. The first swatch I have done is in the shade 3.0Y. So you can see it has got the yellow undertone. The second is the 3.0R. You can see the red undertones there. Then the next shade is the 3.1 yellow. So it has gone down a little bit, it's darkened a little bit. The fourth is the 3.1R. And finally 2.1Y, which is the lightest that I did purchase. But if you do really want to highlight underneath your eyes, this will be the best shade for you. I have gone ahead and taken a shot in natural lighting for you to have a look. Of course, I went ahead and did a full face of makeup, and I did that using the shade 3.0Y. Now, I must confess, I do love the way it finishes on my skin. I would class this as a medium concealer. The only thing I would say though is that because I'm not a fan of matte concealers and I do have fine lines underneath my eyes, it felt a tad bit dry in those areas. Other areas were fine, but just underneath my eyes it did feel a tad bit dry. In fact, I did go on to set my face twice just to make sure it did blend into the skin. So this is a photo of just after I had applied the concealer and done a blending and set my face. So you can see it hasn't settled too much underneath my fine lines. It's just okay. It's only because I've zoomed in you can see that much. However, in the evening you can see it has settled into my fine lines. To be fair, I've had worse, but I'm not a fan of this at all. So I mean, if you like your matte concealers and you want a medium finish and you don't have fine lines underneath your eyes, this will be great for you. However, if you're like me, you have fine lines underneath your eyes, then I would not recommend this concealer. It's just too matte for me. I hope this has helped someone decide if they want to purchase the concealer or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.